up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Danielle Marie, and I really hope you stick around. And if you decide to stick around, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I post videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So I'm going to be doing another back to school video. What? Who's excited? Ooh, that's not okay. I can tell a lot of you guys aren't super excited about back to school, but there are ways to make sure that you are gonna have a successful back to school year and just to be happy and excited about it. So I hopefully can help uplift your spirits about school. But one of my favorite things about going back to school and just being in school in general is having a routine. Waking up in the morning at the same time, not waking up at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or 10 a.m. Like, it all is just the same every morning, except for the weekends, obviously. And then coming home and having that after school routine, which is what this video is going to be. Spoiler alert, not really, because you already saw the title. So I'm going to be showing you guys my routine when I get out of school, what I do, and I just think this is going to be a fun video to watch, and hopefully will get you guys a little bit excited for back to school. So this video is actually going to be a collab with my good friend here on YouTube, Brittany. Her link will be down below to her video, but she's going to be doing a night routine to help you sleep better, which is perfect. I sure have some late homework nights, and this will just be perfect because at night before school, I always have trouble sleeping, and then I wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy, and I'm so exhausted and like, because I didn't get a good night's sleep. So I'm really excited to see her video. So the link will be down below. Make sure to go check out her video. She has amazing videos. I love her channel. She posts like DIY spa nights, beauty videos, and fashion. I just love her videos. They're really well made, and if you like my videos, you would definitely like hers as well. So make sure to check out her channel and subscribe while you're over there. So yeah, I'm really excited about this video, and let's just get started.
So here I am coming in from school, jamming out as always, and I thought I'd give you guys a little outfit of the day. This is actually something that's school appropriate, so I'm just wearing this top from TJ Maxx, my skirt, I don't know where it's from, some sandals, and some fun layered necklaces, and yeah, that was my outfit for the day. And once I get inside, the first thing I do is say hello to Miley. It's always nice seeing her after a long day of school. She's always a nice, welcoming friend. And then I head right to the refrigerator and get some watermelon because I'm always craving watermelon throughout the day, so it's my little after-school snack. Then I head to my room to start homework because it's really important that as soon as you get home, after maybe having a snack or something, to just get right to homework so then you have the rest of the night to just relax and enjoy yourself before the next day of school. So here I am getting ready. I take out my planner, look at what I have to do. I'll do a video all about my organization and everything like that, but I'm just looking at the things I have to do, writing down a list of prioritizing everything, and maybe I'm working on an essay or something like that. So then I do like to take time to go on my phone, look at social media. Then it's time for a workout. I like to do some sort of workout every day, so I'm just putting my hair up, and I like to play some fun music. And if you don't have time to go to the gym, I always like going for runs in my neighborhood. It's a great way to just let out stress, and it's kind of enjoying, especially after school. You can just run, listen to some fun music, all that fun stuff. So, and here's me doing really weird dance moves. I'm so sorry. Then after a long run, I'm usually pretty hungry. My mom makes dinner, so she made some yummy soup that night. So I just took my soup and I just went on my phone, browsed a little bit, responded to some emails and messages and stuff like that. And then I always like to have some me time, so I went outside and the sunset was absolutely beautiful, and I just took in the fresh air and did a little yoga while I was at it and stretched because I get pretty sore from my workout. And yeah, it was just so beautiful that night, and it's a really nice relaxing end to my day. And then it's time to shower. So that night my hair wasn't sweaty or anything, so I just put it up in a bun, took off all my makeup, and headed to the shower. And I always feel so great after a shower, always really nice. Then I light my candle to start up my relaxing night. So I just plug in my headphones, ignore the whole world, and go on Tumblr, listen to some vibey music. It's like been my favorite thing to do recently, just relaxing, going on Tumblr. It's just really therapeutic for me, relaxing like I already said, and it's just a nice way to end the night. And since tonight was a Monday night, that means Bachelor in Paradise, so I was watching it and eating some watermelon, of course. If it's a Monday night, drop everything and watch Bachelor in Paradise. And then it's time for bed, so I'm just turning on my oil diffuser and, doing the spiel, brushing my teeth, putting my retainer in, washing my face, you know the drill. I have so many other videos of like my nightly routine in that aspect. So once I'm all clean, I go back into my room, and I always like to pick out my outfit for school for the next morning, so in the morning I don't end up just putting on something super sloppy. So then it is time for bed, and I'm just undoing my bed, spraying some pillow mist on so it smells super good, and just clapping my lights off, and it is time for bed. Good night, guys.
Make sure to check out my last video. It was the things I'm loving right now video. Kind of explains it in the title. Just a ton of things that I've been literally obsessed with, and just different products, fashion, random stuff. Just go check it out. And if you're not already, make sure to subscribe. I post videos every Wednesday and Saturday. And also make sure to follow me on all my social media, especially my Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. I'm always posting on all of those, and I love to chat with you guys, so I'd love to chat. And yeah, that ends today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check out Brittany's video, which will be linked down below, and I will see you guys next Wednesday for my next video. Bye, guys!